guys, I'm back for a minute. Right now I'm driving back home and you can definitely tell skies have gotten definitely a whole lot darker. It's wet behind me, but I'm like a dark monster in front of me. Holy talking mushrooms. I don't want to curse on here, guys. So holy cow. Holy cow, a bunga, I'm guessing. I can say right now. But oh my lord. Here it comes, guys. I'm literally right now driving home